it shows about the distribution of the tissues, different tissues in the human body. As you know, tissues are nothing but the group of cells performing a similar function. They are known as the tissues. The tissues are not similar in all the regions of our body. So depending upon the functions, the tissues undergo some modifications. So they are classified into different types. For example, the epithelial tissue, endothelial tissue, mucous tissue, like that. There are so many bone tissue, like that. There are different kind of tissues are available in our body. But here they are talking, this question is talking about the epithelial tissue. So epithelial tissue, where it is the distributed. So we have to select the correct matched pair here also. So for example, if you take the ciliated epithelium, the ciliated epithelium is present in the trachea, bronchi, lungs and other parts of the nasal cavities, etc. The main function of this ciliated epithelium is to move the particles from one place to another place over the mucus or any things. So this is the main function, moving particles or fluid over the epithelial surface in trachea, bronchial tubes or nasal cavities, like that. So if in the, let's say another type, there is a simple columnar epithelium. This allows the absorption and secretes. They are distributed in different part of the digestive systems. So cuboidal epithelium, it is distributed in the ovaries and nephrons, etc. They perform secretion and absorption function. Then stratified cuboidal epithelium, the main function of this stratified cuboidal epithelium is the protection. It gives the protection to the respective organs where it is present. For example, salivary gland, sweat gland, mammary gland, etc. They give some protection. Another epithelium, which known as the name itself indicates, that is the glandular epithelium. This glandular epithelium cells is present in all glands, whether it is an exocrine gland or an endocrine gland. It is lined with this glandular epithelial cells which secrete the hormones or enzymes or like that, or mucus or any secretions like that. Then the squamous epithelium, there are two kinds of the squamous epithelium. They have got different functions also. For example, simple squamous epithelium means it is a single layered squamous epithelium which is distributed in alveoli, that is in the lungs, air sacs, and then glomerular region of our kidneys, and the main function is diffusion. It allows certain materials across the cells. So for that purpose, the simple squamous epithelium is distributed in these two regions. Another epithelium known as the stratified squamous epithelium, which is more than one layer. It is present in the mouth, throat, esophagus, rectum, anus and vagina regions. The main function is protection. It protects that particular part. For example, the best example for this stratified epithelium is it is present in our buccal cavity. So in the buccal cavity, on the either side of the buccal cavity, it should be protected, otherwise it will be attacked by the chemicals which we take along with our food. So for the protection, this stratified squamous epithelium is there in the buccal cavity. So by understanding this table, we can answer any question related to this tissue distribution.